Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? Welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in to yet another video. So today, just out here playing around with the Scat pack, and I figured that I would try to go ahead and take off the badges on the front. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, it has in the cursive script, it says Challenger, and then on the opposite side, on the driver's side, it has the RT badge. Now they're cool. I know there's a lot of heritage behind those badges, but I don't know, I just kind of don't like the way it looks. I like the more clean look. Honestly, I've always kind of preferred badgeless, but I'm still debating what all I want to take off on this vehicle. But today, like I said, I want to try to take those off. And from the research I've done, it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. Now some people claim that they're super hard, took them forever to get it off. Other people claim that's pretty easy, took them just a couple moments. So it's something I want to get done. Figured while I'm out here playing with the car, might as well go ahead and give it a try. So let's go ahead and get to debadging. So here's the Challenger badge I was telling you about. It's just some plastic clips that hold it on, so I can't imagine that it would be too hard to pop out. There we go. So that's like came out super easy. Oh, there we go. Super easy. You see, it's just some clips that hold it on. I don't know. I think that looks a lot better. Now for the RT badge. This is the one that people said gave them some trouble. I don't know how accurate that it could be. Just start pulling and figured it would come out right. Alright, got the T out. Alright, there we go. There we go. Got that out as well. So there is this little piece right here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little box right here that mainly holds it into place. Didn't scratch anything. That's just some dust on there if you're wondering. So here's that RT badge. This little clip right here so it holds on to this little square piece. That's probably the hardest part, but man, as you saw, just some prying on it, came right out. So there you have it, guys. Super quick, super sweet and simple video on how to debadge the front of the vehicle. This honestly wasn't even something I was planning on doing today. It's something I've wanted to do since I took delivery of the vehicle. I just kind of prefer the debadge look myself. I think it looks a lot more classy, a lot more elegant. There's just not so much going on. I was just out here messing around with the vehicle and I thought, you know, since I'm here, might as well give it a try. And as you guys saw, it was super sweet, super simple taking these badges off. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to let me know with a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe for new videos every single week. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the debadge and let me know if you guys have debadged yours or if you prefer to leave them on. If you're not already, be sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, especially Instagram. I'm dropping a lot of cool content over there. And until my next video, take care and be safe. Peace.